Just kidding. There are a few cars left. Wait, a loose one. Where did you come from, you gorgeous Alfa Romeo, you? Alfa GTV 2000. What a beautiful little car. Oh, yeah. Okay, you're saying that you're a 1965 GTA? That's legit. It's a Matchbox, so it's a little heavy on the detail. That's good. This is probably one of the most beautiful cars in the world. Probably one of the most fun to drive, too. You better believe it's a daily. Oh, yeah. Okay. More cars. Is that a Vauxhall Opel Speedster or GT or whatever you call it? One of those things built in the Lotus Elise chassis. Perfect daily driver. A Ford Tour State Trooper. A Porsche 911. Carrera 4? Who knows? With the eggs, with the fried egg headlight. It's a 996. Lovely Oldsmobile Cutlass or Chevelle or Buick GS convertible. And this swanky, gorgeous thing is probably a Thunderbird. So I have two Thunderbirds running around. That's really neat. Is there any listing of what cars these are? No. Look, it's a picture of a Porsche in traffic. This leads me to suspect it might be a Porsche Turbo. Four-wheel drive. Winter driver, baby. Okay, what else do we have left? Excellent. 2016 Honda Civic Type R Euro style Bisimoto. They're the people who put a incredible Bat's Not turbo package into a Honda Odyssey. They made a Honda Odyssey with 1,000 horsepower and the stick. Very intense people. I respect them. Naturally, that's a daily driver. Okay. Shop rag. Is that it then? Oh dear, let's see. So we have electric cars. Lucid, Tesla, Citroen Ami, charming golf cart. Volkswagen EV. Nice if you have a garage. Nismo Leaf. Nice if you have a garage by a racetrack. And a Honda EV. Again, beautiful if you have a dedicated parking space with a plug. Excellent daily drivers if you don't have friends or luggage. These are daily drivers. A lot of them. Too many, probably. That's okay. It's why I have a really Civic Type R. It's a Type R? For real, for real? Okay. Respect. It's not an SI, which is nice, but this is a Type R, so this probably has a bat squirt amount of power. That's good, 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 good. Beetle convertible, daily. McLaren Speedtail, daily. Toyota Van daily. Honda Custom NX 600 daily. Pontiac GTO daily. Pajero Evolution daily. That's Montero for you international folks. Yeah. BMW 2002. It's 2024 though. That's a joke. Mini Cooper S. It will be worked on occasionally when it's down in the shop. That's why I'll have a 560 SEC daily. Caddy V8 stick daily. 240DL daily when I feel like something charming, I guess. Oh yeah, Camaro. No, damn it! Forgive me. It's a Pontiac Firebird. Camaro. There's my Camaro. Another Firebird. And a Mercedes A-Class if I plan on sitting in traffic, because it's not a stick shift. Is it? No. Classics that I can use on a regular basis. Datsun Fairlady 2000. Or Nissan, whatever. Was it a Nissan at that point? Datsun in America? Was it a Nissan? Probably. Porsche 914. Beautiful car. Classic-ish daily. Mercedes Rally Spec daily-ish. Classic. Viper. Sunshine daily. Ditto. Remember, we're pretending this is a replica. Where did I put this? Oh, it was a 2002. Yeah. Keep it on top of the mechanicals. 84 Corvette. If it isn't as primitive as I remember, it's definitely a daily classic-ish. Another usable classic, the DMC DeLorean. Not a fast car, but really swell. It's an Quattro. Remember, the is human, the Quattro is divine. It's an Audi Sport Quattro. Is that a short wheelbase? Hard to tell in these colors. I feel so ignorant. Nice, though. Zoom Zoom. It's an Alfa Romeo GTV6. Of course you know that. Alpha! GTA. Looks like a GTV. Now for my exotics that can be used on a regular basis. Aventon. Is this a $1 million baby or a daily driving classic? I don't know. I'm not sure. I think it's a $1 million car. Same thing like this Aston Martin V12 Roadster. See, these are probably $1 million cars, but they're not precious. I could probably drive them on a daily basis and not feel too insecure until I get too much attention from riffraff. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Come on, man. Same with this 177 Alpha. No, forgive me. Aston Martin. USS Enterprise. Let's assume that whatever it uses for fuel is not needing to be topped up every 10 years. GT40. Gorgeous. Am I repeating myself? Yes, I am. Anyway. I think this is part 6 of the car collection inventorying. And it's gotten to be messy. Are you shocked that it's messy? I'm not. To be continued or something like that.